Hi friends! Today I'm actually going to read a bunch of books. So this is my very first recording of books that are in our Erla yellow book bin. So my friends who've been in my class before, this is our, oopsie, I did the wrong side and I had to tape this bin, so excuse me. This is our yellow book bin. All the books in this bin are books that you can read. And I'm going to teach you the first two skills. The one skill is we remember the pattern, and the second skill is we touch the words as we read. So today I'm going to do a couple of recordings, so be sure to check back and watch all my other videos, and we will learn this skill together. The first skill is called tracking the print, which means you touch the words as you read. And we're watching you do this so that we know you're understanding what a word is. This book is titled Help Me Please, and it's written by Pam Holden. This is the cover of our book, and we open it up. Here's our title page. Help me please. I see a picture of blocks. We see some sight words, also known as power words, on this page. Come and help me with my game. Come and help me with my garden. Now I want you to touch the words with me. Come and help me with my puppy. Ooh, I shouldn't cover the word. Come and help me with my shoelaces. That's a long word. Come and help me with my kite. Remember, when we're reading these books, you're only touching the words as you read. Come and help me with my painting. Come and help me with my cooking. Come and help me with my umbrella. I'm going to do that page again one more time. Come and help me with my umbrella. And we're jumping over these white spaces in between the words. Once you've mastered that skill, we move on to looking at the letter sounds. But just for review, these are our power words. This is actually a skill in the green bin. Let's actually see if we can read these words. Help me, my, come, and come, with a capital C because it begins the sentence in this book, with, and help. There is help with a capital H in case it starts a sentence. It's the beginning of a sentence. So you can go through and spell these words and reread them to learn these words. Pause the video at this part and see if you can read these and read this lovely book called Help Me Please to someone in your family and touch the words as you're reading. That's called tracking the print. Good job tracking the print, friends.